5 of 11 from the three-point distance by 21 in the opening period. Some attempts to 3 attempts in there, didn't hit a single one of them.
Sir, what about this sub by Coach Socrates? Just to make it a little bit of a guessing game here for Air 21, bringing back Jimmy Alapang to combine with Jason Castro in the backcourt and sitting down Marquis.
Hopefully a faster, speedier line of play. Battle inside, unable to get anything going. Denied access. Alapang. Castro launches, blocked by Sharma. Yes, himself with his hand in the cookie jar. They lost to Coca-Cola, so he can score when needed. In the meantime, here's Dillinger. 29-25, now Dillinger attacking, nothing there. He puts it against the glass.
Talking that so sharp when it comes to those second chance points.
They have the high, they have the muscle, and Cortez takes care of the interior with his first pair. Here's Alapang, Cortez watching him. Randall's shot will not bite. Matias to Cortez, the intended pass to Kramer is anticipated and Cortez
Eat. Baba.
We were talking about the second chance points. Stockton Texas number
Eat baba daw, eat. Baba.
in terms of producing those second chance points, at least 12 on the average.
Eat.
Alapang top of the keyhole. Alapang launches. 4 points for the big guy. He's just playing so much loose, much more loosely and much more comfortably than before. Kramer, undecided. Ball tapped away. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Less than that, in fact. Randall taps it away. And here come the drop on Texters. They shot. Dillinger goes under the sea. Dillinger with a 5-point game. Yes, Dillinger guilty of the foul. Here's Alapang. Bishop to Dillinger. You were right about the excitement factor of this game, Kenita. Both teams are trying to take it strong and fast against each other here.
Reggie Larry now back in the game. Here's a block. A good recovery here by Air 21.
Sharma will shooting
Eat.
with confidence. The shot just
Bye-bye.
not dropping in and staying down.
Eat.
Alapang.
Now this is high octane.
Eat baba. Eat. Ayaw pa rin mag-eat baba.
Now everyone's contributing, and this is the trademark of Talking Tex. It's called equal distribution of wealth.
Number 2 team in this total points reduced. And that is not a problem for Sharma.
Good passing from Reggie Larry.
Who seems to be like a good all-around player, willing to make his teammates look good. He'll make those rebounds, open up the balls.
So far so good for him. Salah got a bit of minutes here early in this period. His MVP. He's taking Carlos Sharma to school right now.
6 points already for LAP.
I think it's important that Reggie Larry starts asserting himself offensively.
There's Cortez. Sharma lets it fly. Knocks it in. And Sharma with 4 points. We're knocking at 35, 6 and 50 remaining.
Sharma has that nice high arching shot. And kasi siya ni Alitig. That's why ginapabayan siya. Alitig scoring again.
And that just snapped our 5th deadlock. It's currently 37, 35, 6.5 remaining.
Take a look at this stat. recovery defense. Well, it's the next mark here for Air 21 because points on turnovers, Tropas Texas with 18. Air 21 only 8. That's plus 10 for the Tropas Texas in turnover points. Not a good sign for Air 21's recovery defense.
37-35, just in the last play, a traveling violation called against Reggie Larry. New import on Air 21, just in case you just joined us now. Jason Forte is gone.
What about the number of turnovers so far by Air 21? It's 13 turnovers against 7 for Talking Tech. And we've got 6:30 to go in the first half.
I like the way Dillinger is attacking this basket. He has 7 points up to this moment, and he has not given Talking Tech a 4-point lead with 6 minutes to play. Larry says I can go high percentage as well. 10 points already.
Oh, that's a for Air 21. I forgot the point for this one, but here's an offensive foul against Talking Tech.
Personal foul. Seeking short break here, and when we return to 37 Talking Tech.
Miriam Defensor Santiago, kalaban ng korupsyon sa gobyerno.
Salutan natin si Atty. Numero 13.
Kapag may pagsubok, palagi kang may paraan dahil mabilidad ka. Parang naka-board ride. Ito na, number 1.
Na baril.
The purpose to this fight goes back a couple of years to a sparring session with a guy we saw a fight earlier here tonight, Wes Ferguson, a Mayweather protege, a lightweight who hopes to climb the ranks. 2 years ago when Mayweather was preparing to fight Marcus Crowley and Zach Judah was preparing to fight Rafael Pineda, Judah ended up in a sparring session with Ferguson. And Mayweather thought he was a little too aggressive, so he took advantage of the underfight. Nice leaping left hook there by Mayweather. That's why he's so dangerous. He can fire like a cobra.